Creating a teaching animation used to cost thousands of dollars. Now, with AI, it might take just 10 minutes and zero budget. Visual teaching beats text alone. Research consistently shows that students understand and remember far more when they learn through images, diagrams, and videos. But here is the problem. Producing high-quality visuals has always been a pain point. It is time-consuming, expensive, and requires serious design skills. AI tools are now breaking this barrier. For images, tools like DALL-E, Midjourney, and Canva AI can generate illustrations from simple text prompts. Imagine a history teacher creating a Tang Dynasty marketplace scene, or a geography teacher generating a plate collision diagram, all instantly. For videos, platforms like Synthesia and HeyGen use AI avatars to produce realistic explainer clips. They even support Cantonese and Mandarin narration. Animation tools like Steve AI can convert plain text into animated explainer videos, perfect for breaking down complex concepts in a visual, engaging way. Where can you use these tools? Flipped classroom prep videos, in-class visual aids, clear assignment instructions, and even student-made AI presentations. But watch out. AI-generated images can contain factual errors. You might see extra fingers on a hand or historical anachronisms that mislead students. Always mind copyright and platform terms of use. Each AI tool has different rules about how generated content can be shared or published. Do not let flashy visuals overshadow the depth of your content. Eye-catching graphics mean nothing if the teaching substance is missing underneath. Remember, the stronger the tool, the more crucial the teacher's judgment becomes. Use AI wisely, and let your teaching truly shine.